Hello, my name is Philip Totaro. I'm the founder and CEO of market research firm IntelStor. Welcome to your weekly dose of truth to power. Truth to Power examines data driven insights for the energy sector with a focus on renewables. On this week's episode, we're looking at the installed capacity and market share for the global solid biofuels market from the IntelStor Future of Renewables report. While the global market for solid biofuels is 113.1 gigawatts as of the end of 2025, with capacity deployed in 118 countries worldwide. While this is the oldest form of renewable energy, technically, with wood burning predating the Industrial Revolution, solid biofuels have had steady but not remarkable growth throughout the world as most countries opt for more mainstream options like solar PV or onshore wind. While China leads the world with 19.53 gigawatts installed, unlike other renewable energy technologies, solid biofuels capacity in the rest of the world is actually fairly close to that of China. Brazil's plentiful rainforests and culling for agricultural use has led to an abundant supply of feedstocks, which are easily converted into a fuel source for burning. Anywhere in the world where there's ample forest land also provides ample feedstock for wood pellets, which has certainly become the preferred solid biofuel source in the modern age. Solid waste for power generation is covered in a subsequent episode, and the data for waste to energy technology is excluded from this solid biofuel analysis. Now, global market share for solid biofuels is led by the Asia Pacific region with 44.5% of the total installed capacity. The diversity of countries supporting the strength of the market share in all global regions is noteworthy. The Americas has a total of 35.4 gigawatts installed for a 31.3% market share to date. Europe's 22.5% share is spread across almost all EU member states, as well as many other European countries which enjoy heavily forested areas. Africa and the Middle East has only 1.9 gigawatts installed for a share of just 1.7% and deployment in 29 countries throughout the region. While frankly, that's actually an impressive number of countries for Africa, the concern for growth of solid biofuels in the region is that forested areas are certainly limited and they serve an important function for natural CO2 absorption. This can limit the feedstocks which would be made available for solid biofuels. One must also acknowledge that irradiance for solar PV and even the wind energy resource availability in Africa and the Middle Eastern region, coupled with the cost competitiveness of those technologies relative to solid biofuels, makes regional growth in Africa and the Middle East a challenge for that technology. Market share has shifted away from the Americas and Europe over the years towards the Asia Pacific region in the past 25 years. Back in the year 2000, the Americas had a 38.8% market share against Asia Pacific with a 35.2% share and 20.7% for Europe. Africa and the Middle Eastern region has had a bit over 5% consistently for the past 25 years, and frankly, we anticipate this will continue into the near term. For the rest of the world, Asia Pacific has now cemented itself as a global leader, with China, India, Japan, Thailand, and Indonesia poised to continue growing their installed capacity. Other countries such as Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Bangladesh, and Myanmar could also see ramp up of this technology as they already possess significant feedstocks to make wood pellets. Annual capacity additions for solid biofuels did surge recently, with 2025 showing the largest installed capacity in the past 25 years at 7.65 gigawatts. The pipeline for the next few years looks poised to continue this strong trend of capacity additions throughout the world. The Asia Pacific region should see 55.6% of the 51.3 gigawatts of capacity, which we expect to be installed within the next few years. The Americas will install 13.1 gigawatts, or 25.6%, and Europe will see just under 9.2 gigawatts, or about 17.9% by 2030. Cumulative capacity for solid biofuels is being driven by a substantial amount of public funding, which is being committed to help cultivate the industry on a global level. Starting in the year 2000, solid biofuels had 23.4 gigawatts installed globally, making it one of the more prominent renewable energy technologies at the start of the century. While they've increased that capacity by 382.8% in the past 25 years at an average growth rate of about 15.3% per year, the technology is poised to add another 35.3% in the coming years. By 2030, solid biofuels should end the decade with a total of 164.4 gigawatts, with the Asia Pacific region leading at 78.8 gigawatts installed. The Americas region will grow up to 48.5 gigawatts at a global market share of 29.5%, and Europe will increase their share up to 21.1% with an expected installed capacity of 34.7 gigawatts, according to our IntelStor forecast. While Africa and the Middle East should see some additional capacity added to bring their total up to about 2.4 gigawatts, they are a region of contradictions when it comes to solid biofuel technology. There are some countries which have feedstocks available for solid biofuels, but those feedstocks serve a more important purpose of CO2 regulation in a largely desert region of the world. With a heavy amount of public funding committed to solid biofuels, one may suspect that Africa would also benefit, but they are potentially locked into their current pattern of project development, and they may find it challenging to scale the solid biofuels market potential quickly, particularly when you compare the opportunities that they have for solar PV and onshore wind. Thank you for joining me this week. I'm Philip Totaro, and this has been your weekly dose of truth to power. We will have more to come from this IntelStor exclusive report, The Future of Renewables, next time on Truth to Power, including a look at generation and efficiency of the global solid biofuels market. In the meantime, you can follow us on IntelStor's YouTube channel as well as your favorite audio platforms, and visit www.intelstor.com to join more than 300,000 subscribers to our renewable energy data solutions. We're adding subscribers faster than ever, so don't miss out. Register today. A full analysis of the global renewable energy market is available to online subscribers of this new exclusive IntelStor report, The Future of Renewables. And tickets are on sale now for the next Wind Summit event in Houston, Texas on the 3rd and 4th of November 2026. Visit www.windsummit.org and join hundreds of your industry colleagues to discuss all the latest trends in O&M. We've got speakers and panelists lined up from companies like NextEra, EDPR, EDF, Pattern Energy, ExxonMobil, WEG, and more. So don't miss out. Register today. We hope to see you there.